everyone. I wanted to give you an update on the roses from yesterday. They're looking fresh and white, and all I did, imagine, was take some soap and water and brush them with a brush and lay them in the sun. So I just took my drying rack after I had washed them all and I put them on the rack to dry, and it's a good quality silk, polyester. Well, let's not call it silk. Let's call it polyester because that's what they are. But yeah, so they dried really nice, and I'll be putting them back in a vase, and I'll get another, year out of them for sure, because they just are so realistic. They really, silks now, as far as flowers, have really come a long way. They look beautiful and they smell really good. So I just wanted to show you that cleaning them does do them justice, and they are worth doing and taking the time to do it. It actually doesn't even take much time. You could do it in the kitchen sink if you wanted to. Just dip them in and put them out on a towel, or put them out on a balcony or a deck or whatever space you have for them to dry, and they'll dry up really nice. Even the greens, look at the greens, are really nice. So it's again, it's really worth it. Here you go. I just wanted to show you. I added them with the hydrangeas that I already showed you, that I picked from my hydrangea plants, and my lavender from my garden, and I just grouped them together. And when you have a nice quality silk, you can see, like when I showed you how I was arranging them, I was opening them up like that. That just gives a more realistic look of a bloomed rose, rather than when you buy it and it's all kind of like closed like that. I just try to open them a little, just like a natural and a real flower would bloom. So you have, you have the lavender, which is like a low, medium, high, and it gives interest to look at for a grouping. And I think it looks really pretty. And and I'm reusing something I already had. Or you can go and find these on sale. You can find them in secondhand stores. You may already have them downstairs, upstairs, somewhere in a room hidden, getting dusty. So take them out, clean them up, reuse them, reinvent them, and give them a second life, because they deserve it. Look how pretty that looks. And all I did was wash them with some soap and water. You saw how they looked. So you too can do this. Good luck. Let me know if you're going to take a crack at cleaning something that you have already that you were either going to give away, or it's just sitting in the garage or basement, or maybe right in front of you. And you think maybe you should be cleaning them and just fluffing them up a bit and putting them in a new container, vase, and a new place in your home, and they will take on a whole new look. I absolutely promise that.